Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here today. Today's episode is about my ideal career. I will talk about how to say your ideal career in simple English. I will give words to help you. I will give sentences to practice. I will give an example of how to introduce yourself and your career ideas. This lesson is simple. It is for learners of all levels. Take your time. Speak slowly. Practice out loud. First, let us think about the idea of an ideal career. A career is the kind of work you want to do for a long time. Your ideal career is the job you dream about. It is the job that makes you happy. It is the job that uses your skills. It is the job you want to learn about and grow in. It is okay if your ideal career changes over time. It is normal to try many things. Here are some simple words to know. I will say the word. I will give a small example sentence. Career. This word means the work you do for many years. Example sentence. My career is teaching. Job. A job is work you do each day. Example sentence. I have a job at a cafe. Dream. A dream is something you really want. Example sentence. My dream is to travel and work. Passion. Passion is a strong feeling for something. Example sentence. I have a passion for music. Skill. A skill is something you can do well. Example sentence. I have a skill in drawing. Goal. A goal is what you want to reach. Example sentence. My goal is to be a good writer. Interest. Interest is what you like to learn about. Example sentence. I have an interest in science. Experience. Experience is the skills and knowledge you have from work or study. Example sentence. I have experience teaching children. Study. Study means to learn. Example sentence. I study computer science. Help. Help means to give support. Example sentence. I like to help people. Now think of some questions about your ideal career. Answer these questions in short sentences. You can say the answers out loud. What do you like to do? Use simple words. For example, read, write, draw, cook, teach, play music, fix things, build things, help people, talk to people. What are you good at? Say one or two skills. For example, math, writing, listening, caring, cooking, coding, planning. Why do you want this career? Say a short reason. For example, I want to help people. I want to create art. I want to build new things. I want to teach children. What education do you need? Say one simple idea. For example, study at a university. Take a course. Learn online. What steps can you take now? Say one small step. For example, read a book. Take a class. Practice a skill. Talk to someone with the job. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. I will speak and then I will show a short monologue conversation. Repeat after me. Repeat each sentence one time or more. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Hello. My name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I like to help people. I like to study health. I want to be a nurse. I want to work in a hospital. I want to care for patients. I am learning English now. I am taking a nursing course. I am happy to learn new skills. I want to help people feel better. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I like to help people. Now listen to another example. This one is short. Hello. My name is Tom. I am from Canada. I love computers. I like to solve problems. I want to be a programmer. I want to make apps. I am studying coding. I practice every day. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Tom. I am from Canada. I love computers. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause and say the lines out loud. Practice more than once. Practice slowly. Listen to a longer example now. This is a full short speech about an ideal career. Hello everyone. My name is Anna. I am from Spain. I love art and colors. I like to draw and paint. I want to be an illustrator. I want to draw books for children. I like to tell stories with pictures. I am studying art at a school. I practice drawing every day. I take classes in color and design. I want to work with authors and create books. My goal is to make children smile with my pictures. Repeat after me. Hello everyone. My name is Anna. I am from Spain. I love art and colors. I like to draw and paint. Now listen to an example for a teacher. Hello. My name is David. I am from the United States. I like to work with young people. I like to explain things. I want to be a teacher. I want to help students learn English. I will prepare clear lessons. I will be patient and kind. I will make learning fun. I am studying education at my school. I do practice teaching in a classroom. I want to help students grow. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is David. I am from the United States. I want to be a teacher. Here is a short practice activity. Use the sentence frame. Fill in your own words. Speak the sentence out loud. I am your name. I am from your country. I like to your interest. I want to be your ideal career. I want this career because your reason. Example. I am Ben. I am from the United States. I like to teach English. I want to be an English teacher. I want this career because I like to help learners. Now you try. Pause and say your sentences. You can pause the video and repeat. Say the sentence again. Speak slow. Say each word. Next, I will give many short examples of ideal careers. I will use simple sentences. You can repeat each one after me. Practice with your voice. Practice more than once. Use the words you know. I want to be a doctor. I want to help sick people. I like science. I study medicine. I want to be a nurse. I like to care for patients. I am kind and calm. I study nursing. I want to be a teacher. I like to explain things. I enjoy children and adults. I teach every day. I want to be an engineer. I like to build things. I like math and design. I solve problems. I want to be a chef. I love food. I like to create new dishes. I work in a kitchen. I want to be an artist. I love drawing and painting. I make art for people. I practice my skill. I want to be a musician. I love to play music. I like to write songs. I practice my instrument. I want to be a writer. I like to tell stories. I write books and articles. I read a lot. I want to be a programmer. I like computers. I build programs and apps. I learn to code. I want to be a scientist. I like to learn and test ideas. I want to make new discoveries. I do experiments. I want to be a pilot. I like to fly planes. I like travel. I train in flying school. I want to be a firefighter. I like to help in an emergency. I am brave. I train to be safe. I want to be a police officer. I want to help keep people safe. I work with my community. I train for the job. I want to be a social worker. I want to help families. I listen and support people. I work with services. I want to be a farmer. I like to grow food. I work with animals and plants. I help feed people. Repeat each sentence after me. Say the full sentence. Speak slowly. Say it one time. Say it 2 times. Now let us practice a simple conversation about your ideal career. I will be the person who asks the question. You will be the person who answers. Listen and repeat the answers. Question. What do you want to be in the future? Answer. I want to be a teacher. Question. Why do you want that job? Answer. I want that job because I like to help children learn. Question. What skills do you have for that job? Answer. I am patient. I can explain things clearly. I like reading and speaking. Question. What steps will you take to reach your goal? Answer. I will study education. I will get practice in a classroom. I will learn more English. Now your turn. Pause and answer the question out loud. Use the simple answers. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Practice speaking. Tips to speak about your ideal career in a simple way. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Short sentences are easy to say. They are easy to understand. Tip 2. Use simple words. Use words like want, like love, help, build, teach, learn, study, practice. Tip 3. Give 1 or 2 reasons. Do not give many reasons at once. 1 or 2 reasons are enough. Tip 4. Talk about the steps you will take. Say study, practice, learn, get experience. Tip 5. Speak slowly. Pause between sentences. Take a breath. Tip 6. Practice often. Practice with a friend. Practice in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen and improve. Now I will give more example sentences you can use in real life. Repeat each line after me. My ideal career is to be an engineer. I like to design machines. I enjoy solving hard problems. I plan to study engineering at university. My ideal career is to be a teacher. I want to help students learn. I will prepare lessons and activities. I will be patient and kind. My ideal career is to be a chef. I love to cook and try new recipes. I want to work in a good restaurant. I will practice cooking every day. My ideal career is to be a programmer. I enjoy writing code. I like to make new apps. I will study computer science. My ideal career is to be a writer. I want to tell stories. I write every day. I read many books for ideas. My ideal career is to be a doctor. I want to help sick people. I will study medicine. I will work hard and learn from seniors. Practice changing the sentences to your own words. Use the frame. My ideal career is to be a job. I like to reason. I will step. Now a short public speaking tip. When you talk about your ideal career in a short speech, follow 3 steps. Step 1. Start with a greeting. Say hello or good morning. Say your name. Step 2. Say the job you want. Use the frame my ideal career is to be a job. Step 3. Give 1 reason and 1 step. Say why you want it. Say how you will reach it. Example speech. Hello. My name is Sarah. My ideal career is to be a scientist. I like to ask questions. I love to learn how things work. I will study science at university. I will do small experiments. I will read many books. I want to find new ideas and help people. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Sarah. My ideal career is to be a scientist. Now some simple advice about skills and study. Say these lines after me. Learn the basic skills for the job. Practice small tasks every day. Find a teacher or a mentor to help you. Take short courses online or in your city. Read simple books about the job. Watch videos and listen to podcasts in English. Talk to people who work in that job. Ask questions and take notes. Do small projects to build your experience. Be patient and keep trying. Repeat after me. Learn the basic skills for the job. Now a small role play. I will ask and you will answer. Listen and then repeat. Question. What is your name? Answer. My name is your name. Question. Where are you from? Answer. I am from your country. Question. What is your ideal career? Answer. My ideal career is to be a job. Question. Why do you want this job? Answer. I want this job because I like reason. Question. What will you do next to reach this goal? Answer. I will step. Pause now and practice this role play 3 times. Say each answer. Speak slowly. Say each word clearly. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Practice more than once. Finally, some encouraging words. It is okay if you do not know the answer now. It is okay if your dream changes. The most important thing is to try. Try small steps. Learn new words. Speak every day. Find friends to practice with. Make a plan. Take one small step today. That is my lesson for today about my ideal career. I hope you liked their examples. I hope you practiced a lot. Keep your sentences simple. Use short words. Speak with confidence. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.